Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, represents the pinnacle of AI development, a system capable of understanding, learning, reasoning, and applying knowledge across a wide array of tasks akin to human cognitive abilities. Its potential transcends industry boundaries, influencing and impacting various aspects of our lives. Role in industry and economy. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, stands poised to revolutionize industry and the global economy. Its potential to automate complex tasks, optimize processes, and make data-driven decisions could redefine traditional production methods across sectors. AGI-powered systems promise unparalleled efficiency gains, streamlining operations in manufacturing, logistics, finance, and beyond. With predictive analytics and adaptable learning capabilities, AGI can forecast market trends, refine supply chain management, and innovate product development, leading to increased productivity and competitiveness. Moreover, AGI's ability to swiftly analyze vast datasets can unlock insights for strategic decision-making, fostering innovation and catalyzing breakthroughs in research and development. While the integration of AGI may disrupt certain job sectors, its overall impact could drive economic growth, stimulate new industries, and create opportunities for upskilling the workforce. Ultimately, AGI's transformative influence on industry and the economy heralds a paradigm shift toward efficiency, innovation, and data-driven optimization. Healthcare and medical diagnosis. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, holds profound promise in revolutionizing healthcare and medical diagnosis. Its capability to analyze extensive patient data, including genetic information and medical records, enables personalized treatment plans and early disease detection. AGI-driven systems possess the potential to enhance diagnostic accuracy, predict disease progression, and recommend tailored therapies based on individual patient profiles. Moreover, these systems can expedite drug discovery processes by rapidly analyzing vast datasets, potentially leading to the development of novel treatments and precision medicines. AGI's analytical prowess in interpreting complex medical imaging, such as MRIs and CT scans, aids in more accurate diagnoses and prognosis. As AGI continues to evolve, its integration into healthcare could significantly reduce medical errors, improve patient outcomes, and pave the way for a more efficient and personalized healthcare ecosystem, transforming the landscape of medical diagnosis and treatment. Robotics and Automation. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, stands as a pivotal force in reshaping robotics and automation. Its integration into robotics amplifies the capabilities of machines, enabling them to transcend mere task execution. AGI-powered robots exhibit adaptive learning, enabling them to navigate dynamic environments, learn new skills autonomously, and collaborate seamlessly with humans. These systems excel in complex tasks across industries, from manufacturing and logistics to healthcare and space exploration. AGI's cognitive abilities equip robots with problem-solving skills, enabling them to tackle unstructured environments and unpredictable scenarios. As AGI advances, its impact on robotics and automation promises a future where intelligent machines coexist synergistically with humans, augmenting capabilities and driving efficiency across diverse sectors. Agriculture and food security. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, holds significant promise in transforming agriculture and ensuring global food security. By harnessing AGI's robust analytical capabilities, agriculture stands to benefit from enhanced precision and efficiency. AGI-powered systems can analyze vast amounts of agricultural data, including soil compositions, weather patterns, and crop genetics, to optimize farming practices. Through predictive modeling, AGI aids in predicting crop yields, optimizing irrigation, and suggesting precise fertilizer and pesticide usage, thereby minimizing waste and maximizing output. This technology fosters sustainable farming by promoting resource-efficient practices, conserving water, and reducing environmental impact. Furthermore, AGI contributes to crop disease detection and early pest identification, enabling timely intervention and preventing potential crop losses. This aspect significantly supports global food security by safeguarding harvests and ensuring consistent food supplies. Climate science and environmental conservation. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, holds immense promise in addressing the complex challenges of climate science and environmental conservation. AGI's advanced analytical capabilities empower researchers and policymakers to comprehend intricate environmental data and model complex climate systems with unprecedented accuracy. In climate science, AGI aids in analyzing massive datasets, such as weather patterns, greenhouse gas emissions, and oceanic currents. Its predictive modeling capabilities assist in forecasting climate trends, predicting natural disasters, and assessing the impacts of human activities on the environment. Energy optimization and renewable resources. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, presents a transformative opportunity in the realm of energy optimization and the utilization of renewable resources. AGI's analytical capabilities enable the optimization of energy production, distribution, and consumption, fostering efficiency and sustainability in the energy sector. By analyzing vast and diverse datasets encompassing energy usage patterns, weather conditions, grid performance, and more, AGI facilitates predictive modeling and decision-making. It aids in optimizing renewable energy sources like solar and wind power by forecasting energy generation, enabling better grid integration, and enhancing storage solutions. AGI-driven systems also contribute to smart grid management, ensuring efficient energy distribution and reducing wastage. Moreover, these systems aid in identifying opportunities for energy conservation and devising strategies for demand-side management. Financial forecasting and risk management. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, revolutionizes financial forecasting and risk management through its sophisticated analytical capabilities. AGI's capacity to process immense volumes of financial data, recognize intricate patterns, and conduct predictive analysis empowers financial institutions with unparalleled insights. In financial forecasting, AGI-driven systems excel in market trend prediction, asset price forecasting, and risk assessment. These systems aid in decision-making by providing accurate projections and identifying potential investment opportunities or risks. Moreover, AGI enhances risk management strategies by analyzing diverse risk factors, evaluating probabilities, and suggesting mitigation measures. It assists in detecting anomalies in market behavior and optimizing portfolio management to minimize potential losses. Space exploration and research. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, serves as a revolutionary force in space exploration and research, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of the cosmos. AGI's advanced capabilities in data analysis, pattern recognition, and autonomous decision-making empower space missions with unprecedented efficiency and precision. In space exploration, AGI enables autonomous navigation, helping spacecraft adapt to unforeseen obstacles and execute complex maneuvers without constant human intervention. AGI-driven systems aid in analyzing vast volumes of space data, facilitating discoveries, identifying celestial phenomena, and optimizing mission planning. Furthermore, AGI contributes to scientific research by processing astronomical data, assisting in the identification of exoplanets, and analyzing cosmic phenomena. Its ability to recognize patterns and anomalies in vast datasets accelerates scientific breakthroughs, aiding in our comprehension of the universe's mysteries. AGI's integration into space exploration not only enhances mission success rates but also drives innovation, paving the way for ambitious missions to explore uncharted territories and deepen our understanding of the cosmos, fostering a new era of space exploration and scientific discovery. Disaster response and management. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, serves as a transformative force in disaster response and management, revolutionizing how societies prepare for and mitigate the impact of natural or man-made catastrophes. AGI's data analytics and predictive modeling capabilities enable early detection of potential disasters, aiding in proactive planning and swift response. During crises, AGI facilitates real-time monitoring and analysis, providing critical insights to emergency responders for efficient resource allocation and strategic decision-making. Its capacity to process vast amounts of data streamlines logistics, accelerates damage assessment, and enhances situational awareness, optimizing rescue operations and aid distribution. AGI contributes to post-disaster recovery by analyzing damage assessments and supporting long-term reconstruction planning. Evolution of consciousness and ethical AI. The evolution of artificial general intelligence, AGI, sparks profound inquiries into consciousness and ethical AI, raising fundamental questions about the nature of intelligence and moral considerations in AI development. As AGI progresses towards human-level cognition, It prompts exploration into understanding consciousness itself, what defines it, whether it can be replicated, and its implications for AI ethics. Ethical AI becomes imperative as AGI approaches human-like cognitive abilities. Issues of AI rights, moral decision-making, and the ethical treatment of AGI systems emerge as critical considerations. Ensuring the alignment of AI with human values, fostering transparency in decision-making, and implementing ethical guidelines becomes pivotal to prevent potential misuse and promote beneficial AI. Creativity and innovation. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, catalyzes a paradigm shift in fostering creativity and driving innovation across industries. AGI's ability to comprehend and generate complex patterns and insights brings forth a new era where machines actively contribute to creative endeavors. These systems engage in tasks such as generating art, music, and innovative designs, collaborating with humans to inspire novel ideas and solutions. AGI's role in innovation extends beyond the realms of artistic expression. It aids in problem-solving by analyzing vast datasets, offering unconventional perspectives, and proposing inventive approaches to complex challenges. By recognizing patterns and trends across diverse domains, AGI-powered systems uncover opportunities for breakthroughs in scientific research, product development, and technological advancements. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe. See you in the next video.